Start from the readable API docs boundary. Before ChatGPT Actions or another OpenAPI-capable tool imports anything, confirm which URL, auth header, and deployment surface the external tool can actually reach. Now open the live OpenAPI schema briefly. A successful preflight means the endpoint returns JSON from the same host the external importer will use. Do not import from an internal-only browser route. Now return to the API docs. ChatGPT-style actions use a custom header, while normal scripts can use authorization bearer. Never paste the key into GPT instructions or a prompt. If AI4Meta is only on localhost, ChatGPT servers cannot reach it directly. Use MCP in a desktop client, or publish a short-lived HTTPS tunnel only for controlled testing.